So today I was thinking of sharing some thoughts, some practical thoughts about leaving property in trust for your beneficiaries. There's a lot of people that have some certain amount of interest of perhaps protecting an asset or providing for a long period of time with the income of a trust for a beneficiary. And I think it's up to you what you want to do. The concept is that the asset that you leave is held in a trust for the beneficiary, and that super important person to you, the trustee, will make payments from that trust property over time to the beneficiary. Makes perfect sense. It protects the asset also from creditor claims. However, sometimes we get a little kinky with what we put in the wording of what that trust is supposed to impose on the beneficiary, don't we? Sometimes we put things about, well, they need to go to school, or the beneficiary needs to live a certain kind of life, or the beneficiary needs to achieve a certain level before either the payments start or when the payments might be taken away. This sounds great in theory. In practice, I just want my clients to think about this. Often when we leave a property in trust for a beneficiary, that beneficiary often is a child. And that beneficiary often is a child that is not obeyed over their lifetime, and that's why the parents are remiss to give it outright to them. So ask yourself this. I've had 35 or 40 years at the time of my death trying to get this child to do what I want them to do. What are the chances that the trustee is going to be able to get them to do what you want them to do? And moreover, how little do you like that trustee that they have to deal with that? That's just something practical to think about when you're making your trust.